Hello everyone, my name is Jesus Miranda. In this class, in this video, I am going to teach you looking for information in the electrical manual, of one machine, industrial machine. This machine is the same machine that the other occasion is the filler because this machine is used for fill recipient of drinks. This machine is very important in the industry. Yeah. Okay. For example, I suppose that when you open the electrical board, you have one electrical problem. Otherwise, in first step you should find the section of the area about your things that is the problem. In the section of the one component that is the problem, for example, one relay or one security relay, one motor, and etc. This component has one code. For example, in this electrical board, you open the door of the electrical board, you can see wires or connection with one code. In this is one code. Or for example, you can see one code in this section. This is the code. In this image, this is the code. In this component, it is the code. In this component, it is a button, a stop button. This is the code. This code, you're looking for this code in the electrical manual. You open your electrical manual. In this section, you can write the code and press the button enter and the seeker looking for the component. Let's go review the manual. After the section, the introduction section, you can see this section. In this section, you can see the drawing number. This is the code. This page in where is the location of the component, the diagram of the component. Denomination is this description. Page type. Yeah. Okay. Let's go more. In this section, you can see, the page is rotated 19 degrees. You can correct this effect, give or put click in this section. Now the page is very good. You can find the component make this. This is the code. This is the page. And for example, this component A01B3000, it is the page 005.H, page 5, section H. And you more below, you can find the diagram. For example, it is a diagram, is the page 002, and this section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5, section 6. For example, the component can find in the page 002 point 3. Then this will be this area, page 002.3, section 3. For example, imagine that you or we have one problem with this motor, M2, motor 2. You should or you must review this contact or this condenser and this fuse or this fuse or this fuse or this transform and review the voltage and review the connections. You should identify this component in the electrical board, identify this code. With this code you are looking for this component in this manual, electrical manual, and you are looking for the problem. Review the electrical diagram. If you are technical electrical or engineering electrical, you are able to understand this type of the diagram. For example, this motor is broken, this is not work. I review this contact or the measure of this condenser and review the voltage of the voltage out of this transformer and voltage in this transformer, and review the state of this fuse and this fuse and this fuse, and review this other component. Let me review more below. For example, this is a block of the thyristors. You can review the voltage in the int and the voltage before the block and the voltage after of the block. You can review the resistance or impedances resistances of this component, this resistance, with the multimeter, with the multimeter. For example, in my experience, one occasion I have one problem with this security relay. This security relay is connecting with the safety wards in the doors of the machine. If one door is open, the one LED or one in this safety relay is not on. For example, in this case, the entrance I1, this entrance is on, and the entrance I0 is off. The meaning of this state is that in the entrance I0 is not signal. There is no signal. The signal is about 124 voltage DC. Then I am looking for the diagram for this component, safety relay with this code. I am looking for the wire or connection in these entrances. In this point I0. Yeah, I am looking for the problem in in what part of this connection is broken, or for example one fuse is opened, or whatever other situation that generate the problem. Good. In summary, you should in first step open the electrical board, uh, looking for the component that's no broke, that's no work, the component that's no work. Very good. And looking for the code, this component, and looking for this code in the electrical manual. Then you're looking for the code in this section, and then you're looking for the page and section. For example, it is the page 00H, section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5, etc. Then I analyze the problem with your knowledge, electrical knowledge. Very well. Thank you for your attention. Please write in the section of the comment, what do you think about my English? I am trying to practice more my English. I am looking for friends for practice more my English. If you are speaking English and you can talk with me, please write in the comments, or write to my social medias, social networks. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.